Sometimes our greatest strength in life lies within us, the very thing we believe we lack. If we learn to look at it correctly, our losses can become an advantage that propels us to the top. Here's the inspiring and incredible story of a young boy who lost one arm and became a champion by perfecting just one judo move. A 10-year-old boy's biggest dream was to one day become a top judoka. However, in a tragic car accident, he lost his entire right arm. Both the boy and his family were devastated. His family hired one of Japan's most renowned judo instructors to fulfill his wish. The instructor taught the boy the only throw he could perform with one arm. They practiced this move day and night. After a while, the boy began to perform it very well and quickly, but his instructor practically memorized the same move for hours every day. The boy grew bored with this move and wanted to learn new ones. But his instructor told him he had to practice until he could perform it the fastest in the world and that he wouldn't teach him anymore. After a while, the child gets used to performing this move with lightning speed. The instructor tells the child it's time to enter a tournament. The one-armed judoka will enter the tournament with a single move. When the child protests, the instructor says, "Don't worry, just do the one move you've learned." As the first round and the second round go by, the child easily passes the rounds one by one. Finally, he reaches the final. His opponent, who has made it to the final with only one move, is the best judoka in the region. The child is frightened when he sees his massive opponent. His instructor calms him down. "Son, you're unique in the world at this move. Just do your own trick." The child executes his move on his opponent with lightning speed, repeating the same move as his opponent gets up. It's unbelievable. The child has become a champion thanks to a single move with one arm. The child is overjoyed and asks his instructor, "Teacher, I can't believe it. How did I become a champion?" His instructor calmly replies, "There are two secrets to this victory, son. The first is your mastery of one of judo's most difficult moves. Second, there's only one defense against this move. Grab the performer's right arm. As life goes on, what you think you lack can be your greatest advantage. Instead of worrying about your shortcomings, work hard and achieve your goals."